In this video, I'm going to show you a new and improved, much better way of getting traffic for your affiliate marketing business using Facebook ads. Facebook ads is really like notorious for affiliate marketing being really difficult. They don't even like it. Mark Zuckerberg goes out of his way to slap affiliate marketers. They don't like you promoting other people's products using their ad platform. But I found a much better way to do it. It slides under the radar. It doesn't matter about the iOS 14 update, all that stuff. None of that stuff matters. It works extremely well. Your conversion rates are going to be super high, and you can sell affiliate products using Facebook ads using this method. Now let me show you inside this video. Let's go. But before we get started, if it's your first time on this channel, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life for freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let me get into this Facebook ad strategy that nobody's using right now. I'm going to reveal it to you in this video. And I've been using it myself for a little bit, and it works extremely well. Facebook usually does not like you to promote other people's products via affiliate marketing. They usually shut that stuff down. It's really hard to get the right data. It's really hard to get going. It's just really hard, okay? But I found a loophole, a much better way to still use Facebook ads to scale very quickly, just using $2 to $5 a day in your ad spend, and you can grow using this method. Now let me show you. Now first and foremost, I'm going to talk about how to set this thing up, and then I'm going to back up and show you a large kind of like overall view of how this works. Okay, it's very simple. In theory, right? It's simple to look at it and understand it and say, wow, that looks like it definitely works. But once you go out and start doing it, it will shock you actually how easy it really is, and it'll also blow your mind as to why haven't other affiliate marketers just done it this way the entire time. Because Facebook will not bother you. They will not shut down your ad accounts. They won't target you. They won't hate you, and you can make a crap ton of money doing it this way. It also cuts the time almost like 90%, where you're starting an organic free traffic strategy using Facebook, and I've done some training on that on this channel, so you can look at that. But it cuts your time by like 90% to get leads, get people fast, get people interested in your affiliate offers, start making sales immediately by using Facebook ads. And they don't have to be super expensive. $2 a day, $5 a day, something like that. You can easily start getting sales this way. Now let me show you how to set this up first, and we're going to go over to our ads manager just to show you how to set this up. Now inside of your ads manager, you're going to go ahead and create an ad, and I'm just going to show you exactly what you want to do. Most ads gurus out there on the planet, and they're teaching you affiliate marketing ads and stuff like that with Facebook. This is where you get in trouble first and foremost, is you go for conversions. Absolutely not. We're gonna go for traffic. I know it seems counterintuitive a lot of times, like, well, I don't just want traffic. Trust me, you're gonna want traffic for this strategy. For this strategy, it works extremely well. So we're gonna tell Facebook that we want the campaign objective to be traffic. And you can call it whatever you want. You can do all this stuff later on, but I'm just going to show you at a bird's eye view how you want to set this up. We don't want well, actually, it's okay. It's okay if you have campaign budget optimized here. That's fine. Your daily budget, like I said, can be like $2 a day, $5 a day, something like that. It could be really cheap, because all you're going to do is you're going to use ads, Facebook ads, as leverage. Okay, you're going to use them to leverage your lead flow on Facebook. This is for those of you who do affiliate marketing on Facebook. You do organic outreach, you send friend requests, you post all day, you try to get people interested in your stuff. This is going to boost your traffic tenfold, and it's going to boost your entire business, your conversions, everything. Okay, so let's go to the next part here. We have that going, $2 a day, and I just want to show you where you want to drive traffic. You'll either enter more details, blah blah. We're going to go website, because we are still going to send people to a funnel, but I'm going to show you how it's broken down and how it's different than any other funnel you've ever seen, or especially any affiliate funnel. Okay, so let me just show you how that works. You want to set an end date most of the time. I always tell people have an end date in case you forget, because I always have ad campaigns and I forget you know, that I even have them on, so I'm just spending money. You can make this anything you want. You know your audience. Okay, I can't tell you what to put here. You know your exact audience, so you know exactly who you're going to target, what you're going to target, interests and things like that. This is location. I always go United States because I like to just aim at the best audience possible. I mean, I know a lot of people do the whole tier 1 thing, UK, Australia. I know everyone says that. I just go United States, and then later on I'll worry about expanding into other markets. Okay, now this is the important part where we go to detailed targeting, and we're going to select one group of people with one similar interest, not 10, not also interested in this and this and this and this. Doesn't matter. Okay, just get rid of all of that and only one interest at a time. You can create multiple sets if you want to, but each set needs to have one interest. The best way to test, the best way to know what's going on inside of your ad campaigns. Okay, so if I search here and I put affiliate marketing, which most of the time that's what my audience is into, right here, affiliate marketing, we have a very giant size of 13 to 15 million people in the US, but that's fine with me because it gives me the ability to reach as many people as possible. With this particular ad campaign, it works really well. Usually in an ad campaign, you don't want that many people to target because you can spend a lot of money reaching a lot of different people. But this ad campaign, this strategy is designed to get you the highest volume possible at the lowest cost possible. Okay, so that's the goal. We want to get very high volume, very low cost. We're gonna hit next, and now this is the ad creative, right? This is what the ad's gonna look like. This is totally up to you. You design the ad, maybe it's a video. More than likely, it should be an image. Images work better for this strategy. Don't do a whole video, just a quick image. And I'm gonna tell you what that image should say in a minute. I'm gonna tell you what the whole funnel, the whole outline looks like. But first, before I do that, make sure you smash that like button underneath this video to let the YouTube algorithm know that this is an awesome video, this is a new strategy, and more people should see it. Don't be greedy, okay? Don't be greedy and hold this, strategy back for yourself. Let's share it with everyone on YouTube. Okay, now, with that being said, let me get into the rest of the strategy. Okay, so this is what the entire strategy looks like from a bird's eye view, okay? Hope you guys can hear me. My chair's making a lot of noise. But this is the whole strategy. This is a Facebook group strategy, okay? Facebook group strategy. So instead of the traditional affiliate marketing strategy where you're taking people from your ad campaign or from your organic campaign, however you're running your marketing, over to your opt-in page and then your bridge page and then over to the affiliate, right, product or service, the thing that you're actually promoting. Facebook is unique in that they hate affiliate marketers, right? So it's very easy to get on their bad side. But what they don't hate is they don't hate people who keep other people on their platform. So when your ad campaign keeps people on Facebook by nature, by design, they actually like that. And your campaigns end up being a lot cheaper. You get leads at a much lower cost, and you get really good leads because they were actually clicking and looking into what you had to offer. Now, what you have to offer on your creative, we're going to start right here, right? The actual ad. Don't mind my drawing, it's terrible. The actual ad is going to talk about, join free group. That's it. It doesn't take a whole lot, and this is why we're running a traffic campaign. It doesn't take a whole lot to convince someone who's scrolling around on their Facebook feed, hey, join the #1 community for affiliate marketing, right? Join that down in the description below. Join the #1 community for losing weight. Join the #1 community here on Facebook for, finding the perfect date or something. Whatever your affiliate product or service is, you want to group people together inside of a Facebook group so then now you can post in there, you can market, you can advertise in there, you can reach out to them in Messenger. You know that they're interested now because they clicked on your ad, okay? So consider this like the new email list. It used to say the money is in the list, right? That's an old marketing saying. They used to say the money is in the list, which is still true, but the list has changed now. The list is your social media list, your TikTok followers, your YouTube subscribers, your Facebook group members. Why? Because these lists are much more engaged nowadays than the email list. Most people are just not reading emails, and even the ones that do are not very engaged, not very responsive. Email marketing is very difficult. Not dead, but it's not as effective as it used to be. So your ad instead is going to go to still a landing page, right? Still a landing page. Now, if you can go ahead and still collect their email from here, say, hey, I want to let you join the #1 community for weight loss or whatever it is. But first, can we have your email so that we can update you with free giveaways or free information or updates about the group, such and such. Make it enticing for them to put in their email address and their name so you can still get that opt-in, okay? So you can still get that lead and capture them and put them on your email list so that you're not, fully invested into Facebook, because, you never know what might happen with that. But you always have their email, you always have their contact, and then ultimately you're taking them to a group page. Instead of a bridge page, I'll call this a group page, where there'll be a button here, right? It's like join, right? This button will then be the link to join your Facebook group, okay? And then finally, over here, last but not least, this is a horrible drawing, but Facebook group. Facebook groups are super powerful for engagement. People join them all the time because they're looking for help. They're looking for solutions to their problem. They're looking to follow you and your content and what you post and your lives and your all that stuff. So using ads to pump up your Facebook group is a phenomenal strategy. Those people are coming in very warm. You don't have to do cold outreach and doing all this other like super hard stuff. They're coming to you. They're very interested in what you have. And now you have them in your group so you can nurture them over time. Some people might buy right away. Some people might buy next week. Some people might buy in 2 months from now. Who knows? But now you have that lead and you can nurture that lead over a period of time, just like the email list used to. And this is essentially the entire Facebook group ad strategy in a nutshell that we set you up with down in the link down below. The affiliate franchise is my program where we do the entire affiliate campaign for you. This is just one of the many campaigns that we set up for you. If you think that the Facebook group strategy is for you, if it's something that you need help with, we help you set this whole thing up. We help you with the ad, we help you with managing the campaign, we help you with we help you with creating the funnel, we help you with everything, okay, from beginning to end. And we show you what works, what converts, how to chat with people, what to post. This is just one of the many strategies. We show you YouTube ads, we show you TikTok ads, we show you Google ads, we show you a lot of different types of ads, but we want you to focus on one once you join in, because we want you to set it up and scale as quickly as possible. We do teach organic as well if you're limited on your budget, but we have some low budget ad campaigns if you want to just get started in your spare time. This is designed for busy professionals. This is designed for people who don't have a lot of time, but they want to start a side business and scale it up so that they can have more time, right? So in order to do that, we can't have you running around like a chicken with your head cut off. We have to get you set up and start running as quickly as possible. Click down on the link down in the description below for the affiliate franchise. You can find out more about it, how it all operates. And until next time, I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.